Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show how to create a pie chart or a bar chart for categorical data from a frequency table. So here I have an example of some categorical data of people's favorite pets from a selection of people. And if your data is already in a frequency table like this, it's super easy to create either a bar chart or a pie chart. So I'm just going to highlight both of these columns, so the categories as well as the frequency. I'm going to go to the Insert menu or the Insert tab, and in the middle are the chart options. For a bar chart, I'm going to select this top left option. Excel calls these column charts, and I'll probably just choose the first option here. And so you see the categories are along the horizontal axis, and then the frequency of each of these gives us the height. You could edit the title here. You can also add labels to each axis, which would be a good practice. In order to do that, you select your chart and go to the Chart Design tab. And then over here on the left is Add Chart Element. So typically I would add a horizontal and a vertical axis title. And I've labeled my horizontal axis Favorite Pet and my vertical axis Frequency. Sometimes you want your bar chart to be what's called a Pareto chart, where the bars are sorted in order by height. So right now, these are actually sorted in alphabetical order by favorite pet. But if I resort my frequency table, that will automatically resort the bars. So I'm going to select this table. I'm going to go to the Data tab and choose the Sort option. If you have headers on your table, check My Data has headers. And then sort by, in this case I don't want to sort by favorite pet, I want to sort by frequency. I will do these largest to smallest so that you can do it in either order. And so this has sorted the table by frequency, and you can see that the bar chart has been updated as well. Bar charts are a nice clean way of showing relative frequency or frequency for different categorical variables. I could also do a pie chart, which are sometimes a little more visually interesting. So instead, I will highlight my two columns just like before, go to the Insert menu, and I'm going to select this pie chart icon in the first option. So the title is Frequency, but I want this to be Favorite Pet. And the default format for a pie chart in Excel looks something like this. There's a legend at the bottom that associates each of the pie slices with the appropriate pet in this case. This is fine for a small number of pie slices, but especially as you get more categories or for accessibility reasons, it might be difficult to differentiate between the different colors. So for example, the bird and the dog icons here are very similar colors, and I might not be able to tell which one is which. So some different options we can do. If I go to the Chart Design, there are some different chart styles that you can check out, and a lot of these are just aesthetic differences. I can also change from this quick layout to different options. This is kind of a nice one where it's showing each category label actually on or near the pie slice along with its percentage. Here's another similar one with labels without the percentages. Or here's one with the category labels and the frequencies or the actual counts of each person. I kind of like this first option. And then in the Add Chart Element section, you can change a lot of other settings. So for example, the different labels. Right now there's a combination of inside and outside, but you could put them all outside. You could put them all towards the edge, whatever looks best for your particular pie chart. But make sure that these are readable. There are some downsides to pie charts. One, they can't display very many pie slices or else it's not readable. And also the different colors actually distort the sizes. So our eyes tend to see lighter colors as bigger than darker colors. So it can be a little bit misleading. Statistically speaking, the preferred way to demonstrate frequency or relative frequency for data like this would be a bar chart. But pie charts are common, so I wanted to show it here. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.